Hi friends, this video shows how to set screen lock. See, this phone does not have any lock. See, I can just swipe to open it. So I want to set a screen lock. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select lock screen, then select screen lock type. So here we can see pin, password, pattern, swipe none, face and fingerprint lock. Let me select pattern, then draw one pattern, then tap on continue, then again draw the same pattern, then tap on confirm, then tap on done, then tap on cancel. Done. So now that screen lock is ready, let me test. Lock the screen, then unlock, then swipe to unlock. See, now I have to draw the pattern, then only I can access the phone. See, so this way we can set screen lock. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.